Myanmar has become the world's biggest producer of opium in 2023, overtaking Afghanistan after the Taliban government's crackdown on the trade, according to a United Nations report released on Tuesday. Myanmar produced an estimated 180 metric tons of opium essential for producing heroin this year, according to the latest report by the United Nations Office for Drugs and Crime. The figures come after opium production in Afghanistan slumped at an estimated 95% to around 330 tons following the Taliban's ban on poppy cultivation in April last year, according to UNODC. The Golden Triangle border region between Myanmar, Laos and Thailand has long been a hotbed of illegal drug production and trafficking, particularly of methamphetamine and opium. The total estimated value of the Myanmar's opiate economy rose to between $1 billion and $2.4 billion, the equivalent of 1.7 to 4.1% of the country's 2022 GDP, UNODC said. Last year, an estimated 790 metric tons of opium were produced in Myanmar, it said. Myanmar's legal economy has been gutted by conflict and instability since the military seized power in 2021, driving many farmers to grow poppy. Poor access to markets and state infrastructure, as well as rampant inflation, appear to have played a significant role in farmers' decision in late 2022 to cultivate more poppy, the report said. Estimated opium production for 2022-2023 was at its highest level for more than 20 years, UNODC said. It also said poppy cultivation in Myanmar was becoming more sophisticated with increased investment and better practices, including improved irrigation and possible use of fertilizers, pushing up crop yield. Afghanistan, the world's biggest producer for some years, has seen cultivation collapse after the Taliban authorities vowed to end illegal drug production.